What's going on, Mother Truckers? Let's talk about what's on the agenda today. First thing I want to talk about is, I had a lot of truck drivers send me this link and I thought it was really awesome. So I want to show some props here. They say that there is a truck driver that holds the Guinness World Record for being the oldest truck driver at 90 years old. And I thought this was really cool. So I just want to share this right here for all the other truck drivers to just give you inspiration that you could do what you want to do. It says here, Doyle Archer was officially recognized as the Guinness World Record holder for the oldest male truck driver this year and has traveled 5.5 million miles in his 60 years driving trucks. He secured the record at 90 years, 55 days old back in February. Quote unquote, he says, "I do not plan to retire anytime soon." Doyle said to Guinness World Records, "As long as my health holds, I will keep driving. I do not have the word retire in my vocabulary. I enjoy my job very much." So, Mother Truckers, let's just show some love to this driver. 60 years, right? 5.5 million miles. That is insane. And for him just to love the job. So no matter if people say that the job is great or the job sucks or things have changed, in Doyle Archer's mind, trucking is for him, right? And so I'm so inspired by the story right here because, they say if you do something you like, you never work a day in your life. We all hear that. But Doyle, eats the cake on this. This is what he does. This is what he breathes. Thank you so much for moving America. I would love to have you on the show. If anyone knows Doyle Archer personally, have him reach out to me. I'm going to try and reach out to him as well. He deserves the most limelight on this show than ever. So it's just one of those things where I'm here. Go ahead. Sorry. I'm here to show some love to this truck driver, 90 years old, 60 years as a truck driver. Sorry. No, that's good. Just showing the Guinness World Record for oldest truck driver over here. That was Jenna, my wife. So, yeah. So overall, appreciate you very much. Now, let's talk about this right here. I thought this was extremely interesting. Glad these drivers are okay. But this is crazy, right? Police in Nevada say that rain combined with Mormon crickets just basically in northern Nevada, hit these roads like nothing else. So these Mormon crickets, they're these fat crickets, and there's just millions of them. Right? And they were on the road, and the road just looked straight like brown. You can't even see. And semi trucks were hitting them after the rain, and they flipped over, and they just slipped and slid. Right? And so, Mother Truckers, have you ever been in something like this? I know we've seen situations where we see those love bugs out in South Florida and Georgia, whatnot. But these Mormon crickets, this is another level, right? It says, on Saturday, May 25th, the Eureka County Sheriff's Office said that multiple crashes occurred on I-80 near northern Nevada due to rain and Mormon cricket sludge. Mormon crickets are largely flightless bugs native of the western U.S. Mormon crickets rain make roadways extremely slick and unpredictable for stopping distance. So ECSO shared several photos of commercial vehicles that crashed due to the Mormon crickets on the roadway. So Mother Truckers, just look at this craziness. Glad the drivers are all okay. But my gosh.